Thanks for joining us on Valley News Live. It seems like it's sometime last year since I saw you. I hope you had a great holiday season. We're definitely very, very wintry out there as we take a look in at our home of economy location in Devil's Lake. Some high clouds mixing in, but temperatures for many of us rising to above zero. Now we have some snow to talk about. It's on its way. It begins tomorrow by midday for some of us. I'll have more on that momentarily. And then Arctic air is set to return and stick around for a long time once again. So we'll start out with a look at the satellite and radar for the area as we see the clouds working their way into the Central Valley now. We saw those on the tower cam, but they're more abundant out to the west. So we're seeing some clear skies in the far northern valley and into the Central Plains as high pressure is ruling the roost there. Unsettled weather out in the Pacific Northwest, snow developing in Saskatchewan right now. So there's unsettled weather that's going to make its way over the Rockies, and that will park itself over us as we go into the day tomorrow. First and foremost, temperatures right now, well, we're holding on to zero in Langdon and the Walhalla area, 3 above in Hallock, and it's 16 above here in Fergus Falls with 10 for you in Oaks. It's a degree better than that in Jamestown, North Dakota. As we take a look now at that winter storm watch issued by the National Weather Service. There are some counties left blank here. We will see some snow in these areas and there will be some wintry conditions there. But at this point, the greatest impact will be right here in our core from the Devil's Lake Basin, Grand Forks and Pembina all the way down to the Sisseton Hills. Winter weather advisories surround that for the combination of gusty wind and snow. Yeah, let's go through the hour-by-hour details. This evening, get out and enjoy this warm weather. And in fact, temperatures are going to dive fairly quickly in areas where the sky is clear. But as we go through the overnight, look at here comes the wind, here come the clouds. That means temperatures will be on their way up in the overnight hours. So some of us will actually see temperatures rise from single digits and sub-zero readings to around 5 to 10 above for the morning. Now, already the east winds will be taking hold in the morning, and there'll be some snow out near the international border area north of Rolla and out in the western Dakotas. So we start the day with breezy easterly winds and mild temperatures. And as we go through the midday hour, here comes low pressure begins to develop right over the Dakotas. As that happens, we're going to see enhancement of snow. And by the lunch hour, things will get started out west. Here in the valley, quiet. Out to the east, quiet. Now, as we go through the midday hour, here is where things get worse. That evening drive tomorrow is going to be treacherous in our western counties because you're going to have wind and quite a bit of snow. And the snow that is dark blue here, heaviest, will be moving right over the valley just in time for your drive home. I've paused this at 5 in the afternoon. There won't be a ton of accumulation yet in the valley or points east, but it will be getting started. And look at the yellow arrows. That's gusty north winds developing in the afternoon and evening that will gust over 40 miles per hour, causing near zero visibility in places. And watch this system as it progresses through. It lasts into the overnight hours, and as it does, the northwest winds start ushering in dangerous cold, dangerous wind chills. Here we go again. By 8 in the morning, the snowfall is gone. The gusty wind persists, so there will be blowing, there will be drifting, particularly in the morning one half of the day. And again, because this system moves through with relative speed, it's not going to sit over any one spot. We're not going to have ginormous snow totals, but 2 to 6 plus inches in a few spots in the dark blue area. There is a chance for 4 to 8 plus inches near the international border, the way I see it. And a few pockets in here could see that high of a total as well. Where we do have lower chances of snow here in the light blue, that's still around 1 inch to 3 inches of flaky and flying snow. Temperatures in Fargo rising a little bit and then falling into the afternoon, and snow continuing as we go into the mid to late afternoon hours and into the overnight, with the worst conditions for travel beginning around 5 to 6 o'clock. Light pillars here. Timothy, thanks for sharing. Here's a look at your planning forecast. After first alert weather days on Tuesday and Wednesday for snow and wind, dangerous cold takes hold. We've added a first alert weather day for Thursday for an Arctic air visit that lasts into Friday morning. After that, a warm up, 3 above. After that, more Arctic air and snow. So we're in the thick of it right now.
Yeah.
I feel it.
My goodness, we get through that Wednesday morning and then, not much better.
Hang in there. We got this.
Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.